Hello, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Set. So today in this video we're going to see what is internal CSS, inline CSS and external CSS. Right. So let's say we have this heading H1 heading where we have written hello, this is my first heading. Right. And here I want to apply some styling. So first what I can do here is I'll simply going to write style, and within this style I like to give one color, right? And color I am giving red. Okay, and then I'm going to save this. Now if I'll come back to my browser, so here you can see that this heading is now showing in red color, right? Similarly for this H2 heading, if we'll do the same thing, then red color will be applied on the second heading also, right? Let me show you. So here you can see that it is working. So the way of styling here is known as inline CSS, right? Suppose for H3 we want to give the color as blue color, right? This heading will appear in blue color. Right now it is appearing in black color, but we want to make it in blue color. So what we are going to do here is we'll apply it with internal CSS, right? So for writing the internal CSS, you need to go to your head tag and then you need to write style tag, right? And within this style tag, this heading, right, this H3 heading. So over here what I'm going to do here is I'll write H3 and then I'm going to open the curly braces, and here I'll write color is equal to blue, right? And then I'm going to save this. Now I'll come back to my browser. So here you can see that this H3 has now been appearing in blue color, right? So this is your internal CSS. Now if I'll talk about my external CSS, so in external CSS you have to simply connect one external file. First you need to create one file, that is, here you can see that I have already created this file, style.css file, right? And here I am styling these components, right? So let's say suppose this is my H6 heading, right? Hello, this is my first heading, right? H6 heading. This text, I'm highlighting this text. Okay, so let me come back to my browser to show you that it is appearing in black color right now, right? And I want to style this in green color with external CSS. So as you can see here, one file is created, style.css, and then after creating that file you have to link that file in the head tag with the help of link tag, right? So here you can see that this style.css file is linked, and then I'm going to open this style.css file, and then here I'll write H6 and then I'm going to give color as green color, right? And then I'm going to save this. Now if I'll come back to my browser, so here you can see that this H6 heading is now appearing in green color. This heading, I have highlighted this heading, right? So in this video we have seen that how we can style with the help of inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. So okay, thank you, that's all for this video. I hope to meet you soon in the next video with some new topic, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. Thank you, that's all.